Hey Southwest Florida, Braden Milner here with your weekly real estate housing market update. There are some interesting numbers this week that you'll definitely want to know, so let's dive right in. Kicking things off with interest rates. They've made a substantial jump from 7.29% to 7.51%. If you're on the fence about buying, this might be a wake-up call. As for new listings, we're looking at 397 this week, just slightly down from last week's 412. The market is showing stability on this front, which is generally a good sign for both buyers and sellers. Now let's talk about properties sold and pending. We've got 236 sold properties this week, down a bit from the 256 last week. The pending sales have actually risen slightly to 289 from last week's 274. This evenness in numbers indicates that despite rising interest rates, there's still a stable demand from buyers. Expired listings have taken a noteworthy drop, down to 34 from 62 last week. This could be an indication that properties are moving rather than sitting stagnant, another sign of ongoing demand. And finally, let's chat about the median sales price, which took a dip from $420,000 down to $384,000. It's a significant drop, and in the context of rising interest rates, it makes sense. Sellers may be adjusting their expectations and pricing a bit more conservatively to ensure a successful sale. This is evident when we look at the steady numbers in sold and pending listings. Transactions are still happening, albeit at a somewhat lower price point. To sum it up, it's a bit of a mixed bag. We've got some rate hikes and price adjustments, but also signs of consistent demand. As always, you can count on me for more insight into what all this means for your real estate journey. Contact me anytime at 239-634-8639 or via email at contact@bradenmilner.com. That's all for this week. Keep an eye out for next week's update and make sure to follow the channel for daily videos just like this. I'll see you all next week, Southwest Florida.